In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank higher in Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to break the Google Maps algorithm so Google can show your GMB listing to more targeted eyeballs. I'm going to show you how to get rankings for most of the keywords that you are looking to dominate. Google My Business is all about generating traffic and generating leads. Wouldn't you agree? It's all about getting from this to this. You want to make more money with your Google My Business listings, and it requires certain optimization to get there. The good news is that I'm going to be revealing my best kept secrets in this video. Things that I usually only discuss with my top paying clients. So you're fortunate because the information I'm going to give you is going to blow you away. Your GMB business will never be the same again. You're going to see results like this more often. Now, I'm really shooting this video because I want to help out our community, because a lot of people are stranded and they simply don't know what it takes to optimize a Google My Business listing so that they can generate more traffic from Google search. But the good thing is that there is a very simple but proven process that you can follow that will guarantee that your Google My Business listing will rank for your desired keywords in the top of the map pack. If you want me to continue shooting videos about content like ranking your GMB listing higher in Google Maps, then I'm gonna need your support. I am nothing without your support. Please help me out, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. In case you're not part of this channel yet, please do me a favor and subscribe below. Let me give you my best kept secrets that will help you to rank higher in Google Maps. The first step is to optimize your Google My Business listings on-page SEO. Now, on-page SEO stands for on-page optimization, and it has to do with several factors that are really important for Google to be able to identify what your listing is all about. A recent study suggests that over 90% of GMB owners don't optimize their Google My Business listing the way it should be optimized. The good thing about on-page optimization is that it's not really expensive to do, and all it really takes is a little bit of your time. The most important Google My Business ranking factor happens to be the keywords used in the GMB name. Let me give you an example of how this works. Let's assume your company name is SEO Gurus LLC. And let's say you're looking to rank for keywords like SEO Agency Philadelphia or Marketing Agency Philadelphia. One of the fastest ways to achieve great ranking results with this strategy is by using the keywords in the GMB title. Your GMB title could look like this: SEO Agency Philadelphia SEO Gurus LLC. Using the desired keywords in the title of your GMB listing tells Google what your GMB listing is all about and consequently achieves higher rankings in the map pack. I'm pretty sure that you are aware that you need a primary category for your Google My Business listing. Our primary category is SEO agency, but what would you choose as secondary and tertiary categories? Things like marketing agency or marketing consultant come to mind. Choosing the right secondary and tertiary categories gives you additional SEO ranking benefits. Next up, we have service areas. A service area business is a business that executes a service at a customer's location. Let your customers know where your business services, provides, and delivers. Adding a website only helps with the establishment of your GMB listing. Adding an aged website to your Google My Business listing not only helps with ranking you in the map pack, but it also gives your potential customers more reasons to try your product or service. Adding a website can greatly help your GMB's SEO. But there are other reasons for adding a website, such as collecting data from potential customers, as well as encouraging calls from prospects. A website allows you to optimize your business for optimal results. While it is not required to add a website, I highly recommend that you do. The business hours of your Google My Business listing should always reflect your true office hours. Should your business hours change during a holiday, then make sure to make the adjustment in your GMB profile. Add an appointment URL to your profile to send your prospects to a URL on your website so that they can schedule an appointment or request a quote for a service. Add a minimum of free services to tell your visitors what your business is all about. An example: SEO, lead generation, and web design are free services that a marketing agency should add to their GMB profile. Adding services provides clarity to your visitors and increases their chances of generating the lead. Add a business description to tell your visitors what your company is all about, and your company's values to create a good first impression in the eyes of your visitors. Your business description should also entail some of your main keywords. Now that we have optimized the Info tab in your GMB dashboard, it is time to add 3 to 5 photos of your business. Adding photos increases visual appeal and is a must-have optimization factor. I highly recommend that you geotag your photos with the exact location of your business and also tag your photos with your targeted keywords. If you are a lead agency, it's best to ask your client to take photos of the business location. You can also use paid stock photos for the GMB listing. Another great tip is to upload a 30-second video that illustrates your services. Make sure to remember that Google imposes a 100 megabyte per file upload limit. A video is a great trust-building tool, and I highly recommend that you start utilizing this feature. Did you learn something useful already? Great! Subscribe now not to miss out on any future videos. Let's move on to the Posts tab in your GMB dashboard. Posting to your listing regularly is a great way to tell Google that your listing is active. And consequently, Google will rank your listing higher in the map. Your posts can be about sales, coupons, blog posts, videos, and educational contents around your business. Make sure to add a photo to increase the click-through rate of your post. Reviews are a great marketing tool that every business should capitalize on. Recent studies suggested that most people will not use a business with less than 4 Google My Business reviews. Most people will not use a business with excessive neutral or negative Google My Business reviews. Your reputation is everything. Here's what you need to do. Ask your existing satisfied customers to leave you a positive review on your Google My Business listing. Ask them to talk about their experience with using your product or service. Once your customer left a review on your Google My Business listing, make sure to respond to the review immediately. Most prospects review all Google My Business reviews and the owner's responses to make sure that they are dealing with a legitimate company. Don't forget to tell your customers to mention some of your main keywords in their Google My Business review. The questions and answers feature is a great way to show that you care about your prospects and customers. Prospects and customers can ask questions about your services and business. Whenever someone asks a question about your service or business, make sure to answer it immediately, as it does affect the overall reputation of your business. Most prospects will review questions and answers of a business prior to purchasing a product or service. Good handling of the Q&A feature is an important part of reputation management. Another effective way to rank Google My Business listings in the Maps pack is through Citations and NAPs. Citations and NAPs, name, address, phone number of your business, are mentionings of your business across the web. Some of the most popular citation sites include, but are not limited to, Facebook, YouTube, Yahoo, Yelp, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, and Manta. There is a right and wrong way to build citations of your business. Make sure you build citations on the right sites where your competitors are listed as well. Research your competition and emulate their citation and NAPs across the web. Last but not least, we have behavioral signals. Behavioral signals include click-through rate actions such as click to call, click to visit, click to request, and click to view. How do you achieve a higher click-through rate on your listings? High visual appeal, great reviews, great reputation management, and great on-page factors lead to a high click-through rate on your listing. Which of today's discussed ranking factors do you think is the most important? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to dialogue with you about it. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet and would like to learn more about Google My Business, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button right underneath this video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.